Hi guys, another truck video from me, Jack. Just thought I'd give you an update on my Scania 770S. Well, now gonna be a T730 ST, which is the T-cab version. So I bought this kit from AJD Truck Parts, and they're all quality parts, and they look really good. So I thought I'd just give you an update on where I'm at and what it'd look like, basically. So the cab you see there, where this line is there, I'm going to be cutting that off and replacing it with this part here. So the bonnet will join to that, and I'll obviously need to get another chassis rail for both sides, rebuild it because it needs to be longer, because the fifth wheel sits somewhere here, and when you're pulling a trailer you don't want it smacking your cab. So I'll just give you a glimpse of that now. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you an update on where I'm at, and sorry I haven't done a full build on this, but there is videos out there that will give you an insight on, you know, step by step of the Scania 770S. So if you want your T-cab parts for your Scania 770S, search AJD Truck Parts. They're on Facebook and they're on Google. If you just search them, they'll help you out with your T-cab needs. So I'm at now on the instruction manual. I'm building the gearbox currently. So I've laid all my parts out there, which I thoroughly recommend, because you'll be able to see what's what for building your gearbox. It'll look really good, really good. So yeah, any questions or any queries about anything and where I got these products from, just put a comment down in the comments, and yeah, I'll do another update video when I get a bit closer. Just thought I'd give you an update of where I'm at now. But yeah, that's basically that one, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. T-cab! Everybody loves a T-cab.